let me show you how to train your AI agent with questions and answers. So follow me to my desktop right now. Welcome to Jotform. My name is George, and on this video, I'm going to show you how to make your AI agent super smart by training it with questions and answers. That means that we're going to anticipate what someone might ask in order for us to have an answer that's ready to serve. Okay, so let's get started. This is my main Jotform dashboard, and to get started, we're going to jump into our AI agent section. So let's go to My Agents, and this is where we're going to find all our agents. And in this case, I'm going to use School Administrator AI Agent for our demo purposes. So let's go into Edit Agent, and we're going to go into the training section. And there's several ways to train with questions and answers. The first one is by actually creating a question to answer. So in this case, we have a knowledge base right here section, which is this tab right here. And we're going to click on Add New Knowledge. There's several available options, but the one we want to use is questions and answers. So let's go ahead and select it. And this is where we're going to type in our question, and this is where we're going to add our answer. Now, there's several ways that we can answer. So that means that we can use text, show list of items, show a video, show checklist, display a PDF, or show a location. So let's say that the answer to this is, where are you located? So let's just say that in this case, the question is, where are you located? Here we go. And AI is going to know that there's going to be variables of this question. So it doesn't have to specifically say, where are you located? It could say, I need to know where you might be located. I need to know where your location is, etc. And it will know how to serve this answer. And for this answer, we can type in the text for the directions of the location, or I want to use, in this case, the show location. So in this case, I can type in the address right here. So for example, in this case, I can say San Diego, and it'll provide me options available here. In this case, I can go ahead and type in the specific address, but I just want to do San Diego for this case. And then I have the map style. I can use default or satellite view, depending on what I want to preview. In this case, I'll use satellite view. Let's go ahead and save this. And right now, what we just did is gave a question and a response to this by anticipating what someone might ask. So let's go ahead and preview this and test it out. So let's go into the preview, and let's kick off the AI, and let's say hello. Let's just start off random, and then we're gonna ask, where is your office located? Let's go ahead and send this off, and we are asking for a location in a different sense, but we're asking it. So in this case, here we go. We got the result, and it sent off the Google map that we've just created. So it's a super useful way to create the anticipated answers for questions that someone might ask. Now, all these questions and answers will be available right here. Once you create them, we'll have a list of all these available ones. Now, you'll find that there's already some questions and answers available here. You can see this is the question, and this is the answer. And sometimes we'll see some of the questions asked right here without the answer. The way that happens is that when someone starts chatting with the AI agent and they don't know how to respond, we'll automatically see the question right here where we can manually respond to it. Or we can go into Teach Your Agent, where we actually talk to it and we'll get some of these questions that need to be answered. In this case, I'm going to ask something random that it might not have an answer to, which I'm asking to, is it compliant to that random letters that I've just typed in? The idea of this is to not have a response. Okay, here we go. So now I just asked the question, is it compliant to this? And then I responded that this is a world compliance. And here we go. So now a question and answer was generated automatically. I can go ahead and undo this, and I can go ahead and edit this in the knowledge base section. So if I go to questions and answers, find this one right here, I can go ahead and edit it and remove this and add something that's actually better or the truth. And I have the option again to select text, show list of items, show a video for this as a response, show images, show a checklist, or display a PDF. So several available options for this. So it's a really easy way to create questions and answers for our AI agent to respond to questions that might be asked. So it's a way to get ahead of the game by adding your questions and answers right here. So definitely test it out for yourself with your agent and create your questions and answers so your AI agent is ready to respond to these questions. I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about this system to create questions and answers and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.